Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make Greek salad. Stay with me until the end of this video and I'm gonna show you how many calories are. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna place chopped tomatoes, diced feta cheese, chopped cucumber, sliced red onion, pitted Kalamata olives, oregano, cooking salt, and lemon juice. I forgot the main ingredient of this recipe and now I'm gonna add olive oil, the recipe yielded 437 grams. This is the recipe nutrition facts. And this is the nutrition facts for 100 grams of Greek salad. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!